Get this for 10 cents, and it really need to wash it, but it's nice for 10 cents. Can I go? So you can use this for like survival, in your backpack and stuff, to start a fire or something in the woods or whatever. Survive if you don't have a lighter, or like, matches. So that's kind of nice for the price. See you later. Kind of sleepy now.